Happy Thursday, class. I am checking in with you for your regular Thursday check-in. You would have gotten an announcement from me yesterday. Let me go ahead and go there and talk about that first. So what I really want for y'all to do is make sure that you stay on top of your work, especially these virtual attendance assignments, because this is how you're counted present in class, is by doing your work. And so it's important that you get these assignments done. All right, so on to our Thursday announcement. This week, or today, you've already done your flip video, but what I really want to do is kind of gauge whether it was something that you found useful and that you enjoyed, because I'm considering continuing on with using flip video. So I have a survey link here, and it's going to take you to a SurveyMonkey survey, and I'd really like for as many of you to go and get that survey done and just let me know what you thought of that assignment using that technology. My tendency is to want to continue to use it because I feel like it gives you a sense of being part of a class in terms of a discussion, so it's a little bit more personal. And I think, but I want to see what you have to say. So reminders for this week. This is the week that you're really reading that expository essay assignment sheet. I'd like for you to make sure that you if you're in an 011 class, you want to make sure that you get that assignment sheet loaded up into your 011 shell as well. That's important to do. So make sure that you read through your assignment sheet and you understand the focus of the essay. Remember, you're writing up an essay, a 5-paragraph essay, about 3 important places to you, and you really want to go over that assignment sheet carefully. Be sure that you review the PowerPoints that are under your Week 1 folder. There are several PowerPoints, and the information is there to kind of get you thinking about reading critically. First of all, again, we're going to do reading responses most every week this semester, and I really want you to think about why I'm asking you to do all that reading in a writing class. Reading is kind of a crucial element to improving yourself as a writer, and reading critically is important. You want to read for more than just pure comprehension. You want to kind of dig down and do a little analysis, because the more you learn to read critically, the more you learn to understand why you feel the way you do on certain issues. And so the reading and the reading responses are designed to help you start to think about why you have certain reactions and how you feel the way you do about certain readings that we're going to cover. So definitely look at those PowerPoints. You've got that point of view worksheet that's due on Sunday, and to that point, every week I'll try to do a mini lesson where I go a little bit deeper into what we're covering. This week we're talking about point of view. So in academic writing, use of pronouns in academic writing. And so I have a little mini lesson addressing in particular the use first person and second person. In this particular essay, you can see I have in green, generally speaking, let me back up. Generally speaking, in academic writing, we avoid first person and second person as much as possible. But because you're writing a very particular kind of personal expository essay, it's very anecdotal, you are allowed to use first person in this essay. But second person is not allowed, second person being you and your. So I have a little bit more explanation. Your worksheet has you think about that. And then I have just some examples in how simple, quick fixes. Students often think, well, if I can't use you, there's no other way I can write that sentence. And there's always other ways of rephrasing sentences. So I have some samples just for you to kind of read over and think about how you use your pronouns. Then finally, you've got, well, for next week, I want you to be thinking about your 3 places for your essay, because next week you've got a brainstorming and thesis statement worksheet that you're going to work on. So you want to kind of get a head start on that. And then your reading selection called The House on Mango Street is also in your week 1 folder. And so you want to get that read on Sunday so that come Monday you can do your reading response. All right. Any questions? Again, I'm always available by email. I'm available if you want to come in and talk with me. I'm in CA 106 on campus. I'm in my office a fair amount during the week. And the other thing is I'm happy to make a video appointment. If you can't get into the campus but you want to talk with me rather than email, I'm happy to schedule a video appointment with you. All right. So let me know how I can help.